idea is that if an abuser knows where you live, it's hard to get away?
Well, this scenario that is depicted here through this campaign is routine. We know that survivors of violence deal with this situation all the time, where an abusive partner comes to the door and demands entry. And so, in general, women are experiencing, what survivors are experiencing, and recognizing that this is just an activity where they're looking through the people and that they can walk away. And for so many survivors of violence, they cannot.
What help is available for someone who's in that situation, looking through their people, somebody's come to their door?
We have an incredible network of support services all across Canada, here in British Columbia and Metro Vancouver. And one of those, of course, is Battered Women Support Services. We've been operating for the last 40 years, and we have a crisis line and counselors and support groups.